got a Volkswagen update for you guys. I've got all this sanded. I got a primer where the bare metal's at and stuff. Interior's done. Covered that in the last video. Well, it's been coated. I just got done shoving a hose in these guys, coating all the internal frame rail areas. Basically just got to wait on that to dry. And I can go through and primer all the areas I sanded. Then I'll have to sand it and then body work it. But right now I'm getting ready to do some little masking on here so I can spray it hopefully tomorrow with the primer. But got lots of masking. Got to do the windshield, got to do the door jambs, got to do the back window. Lots and lots of tape. So this stuff is about the best you can use. Automotive performance. It's just as horsepower promises. Peels off really nice, doesn't leave a residue, nice clean lines. You don't want to cheap out on tape. Trust me, it makes a massive shit. But I'll hit it you soon when I got another update on this bad boy, probably after I get her all primered up and do a little sanding. Have a good day, guys.